Hello and welcome. This is English Podcasts for Beginners, a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I am Lovely. Today we will talk about something important for everyone. We will talk about strength. We will talk about how to keep going when things are difficult. Stay with me for a few minutes. We will use simple words and we will talk about how to be strong. Sometimes life is hard. It is true. We all have difficult days. Maybe your English study is hard today. Maybe your job is difficult. Maybe you feel tired. This is normal. It is okay to feel this way. But when things are hard, we must try to be strong. What does it mean to be strong? Being strong does not mean you are never sad. Being strong means you keep going. It means you take a small step forward, even when it is hard to move. Let's think about this idea of keeping going. Imagine you are learning a new skill. Perhaps it is riding a bicycle. You fall down. Ouch, it hurts a little. If you stop, you will never ride the bicycle. But if you stand up, if you try again, you are being strong. You are showing strength. In English study, it is the same. Maybe you do not understand a new grammar rule. This rule is confusing. It feels difficult. If you stop now, you will not learn it. If you try again tomorrow, if you read the rule one more time, if you listen to one more podcast, you are strong. You are moving forward. Strength is often very quiet. It is not shouting. Strength is simple, daily action. Think about the feeling of worry. When we worry, our thoughts run fast. We worry about big problems. We worry about tomorrow. This worry can make us stop. To keep going, we must focus on today, just today. Focus on the next small thing. If you have a big problem, do not look at the whole mountain. Look at the path right in front of your feet. Take the small steps. This is how we use strength. We use strength one small step at a time. Remember this simple phrase, just try one more time. Let us reflect on why keeping going is important. When you try again, when you do not stop, two things happen. First, you learn. Every small failure, every time you fall, teaches you something. You learn how to do it better next time. This learning is useful. This learning builds strength. Second, you build belief. You learn that you can face hard things. You learn that difficult times do not stop you. This feeling of, I can do this, is wonderful. It makes the next challenge feel easier. You become stronger inside. So, when life is hard, please be kind to yourself. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to try. Try to do one useful thing today. Maybe that useful thing is studying English for 5 minutes. Maybe it is making a simple plan for tomorrow. Maybe it is just resting well tonight. Any forward movement is good movement. Be patient with yourself. Strength takes time. It is like planting a tree. We do not see the change immediately, but every day the roots grow deeper. You are growing deeper and stronger every day that you try. So let's wrap up today's talk. We talked about being strong. Remember, strength is not the absence of difficulty. Strength is choosing to move forward when things feel difficult. If you are facing a difficult time now, remember to take small steps. Focus on today and repeat the simple phrase, I will try one more time. Thank you for listening today. I hope this short message helps you feel encouraged. Remember, you are building great strength. You are doing well. Keep listening, keep learning, and keep going. We will talk again soon. Until then, have a strong and peaceful day. Goodbye.